In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn a freshly designed piece into a file called a DXF. Now, a DXF is an important file type because that's the type that we need to be able to make to be able to in Solidworks to be able to import that into 2D design. Okay, so I'm going to use this part here. Okay, so first, just to make life a little bit easier for myself, I'm going to open that as a separate part. Okay, so to do that, if I click on the part, in the top left there's a little folder icon that says open part, and this one's called waves. I'm going to click on there and that will open it as a separate part just so it's a little bit easier. I'm not going to kind of look at anything else. Right, what's the steps? So first thing I'll need to do is I need to make sure it's flat. Okay, so it's flat in terms of that it needs to be face on so I can see all the kind of the details that I need to be able to see on there. Okay, so that's the first thing I need to do. So how I did that, I just went up to the orientation, okay, and I just selected different ones. Sometimes if you hover over them, you'll get like a little preview, and you'll be able to see and think, right, that's the right one. Click on it, and it'll bring it up for you. Okay, next thing I need to do is go right click, and about 3/4 way down to where it says export to DXF or DWG. Okay, there's an option, and we're just going to say save as. Okay, and yep, it should come up and say the file name, and that's going to be a DXF file. Okay, at this point, if this is your first one, you may want to actually make a new folder here. Okay, actually that's what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to take a new folder and call it my automata. And I'm going to open that file, folder, sorry. There we go. So all the different parts are going to be in this one separate folder. It's just going to make my life a little bit easier. Okay. Now what I need to do here is I need to go into Options and make sure this bit here says Export all splines as polylines. Okay. You'll have to just click on this for the first time, and then afterwards, if you do that, all the curves and things won't work. So if it does get to the end and you think, hang on, the curves have not worked, you probably miss the steps. So quickly come back and just check that it says it's on polylines. Okay, when you're happy with that, say OK. I'm going to save. Now on the left side, get an option of faces or annotations, and with the annotations, I'm just going to select annotations and then green tick. Okay, that should be black and white preview. All right, which we can just check. That looks fine. And we're going to go save. So until you've actually got to this part, it's not actually saved. Okay, that file is now saved as a DXF. Okay, and what I can do is I can just close off this part. Okay, and I've done that one part there. So obviously if I needed to do the next part, okay, I would then carry on, select the next part, which would probably be this part here, and just repeat that process over and over. Okay, hopefully that's been useful.